mga ganon. Ni Honggo na. Yes guys, boarding na kami. It is my first time to fly Japan Airlines or JAL. Going to Tokyo, Haneda, Tokyo, Japan. Just can't wait kasi nakakamiss na pumunta ng Japan. Boarding na kami. Okay. See you later guys. Bye. This is it. I'm going back to Japan again. It's my first time to take Japan Airlines. Ayun. Yes guys, ito na tayo. Dito na tayo sa 21C here in JAL. So, I'll sit ako. Ayan. So, ito na tayo. I'll see you later, Japan.
A few moments later.
Divas makatapos siya ng late dinner. So around 1:30 na ngayon. So after Tokyo, so edit lang muna ako kasi wala pa akong tulog. And yes, makakarating tayo ng Tokyo around 4:55. So yes, I'm gonna get later.
3 hours later.
Mga Divas, nakalapag lang namin dito sa Tokyo International Airport. Ang linis ng hallway. Pag ano ko ng PC dyan, makikitang-kita. Hikaw mo bang Pearl? Kitang-kita dyan. Kita nyo ba yan? Sobrang linis. Yan, laki ng airport nila. Punta kami ng Terminal 1 para sa domestic. Viva. Sino ka dyan? Connecting flight daw doon. International one. Ohayou gozaimasu. We're here at the domestic airport here in Tokyo. We're off to Akita. So, mga 1 hour yung what's this? Yung flight namin to Akita. And we only have like 15 to 20 minutes before our boarding. Oo. So, yun na madali na kami pati nga, we made it. Kala ko hindi. Pero we pull it off. Ayan. So, isa pa. And then from Akita, magti-train kami papuntang Hyorigonju. And after that, makakap kang papunta sa hotel namin. Depende lang ko. Hirap yung travel day. Walang tulog ka. And then yun, walang tulog. I have to do this one. This one? So, nagkamali lang. So, ito na aking real boarding pass. Maybe this is okay now. Ayan, that's all. Thank you. Let's go to the airport. Go to Akita. JAL 161. Okay. JAL 161. It's here. Down. Yan guys, nakabus kami ngayon. Papunta ng airplane. Yes. Nasa bus kami.
Thank you for using Japan Airlines today. This bus will take you to the exit. Hold on to the strap or railing. Please do not forget your belongings and watch your step when getting
Yan
off
ang
the bus.
airplane namin.
Please keep your boarding pass until you reach your final destination. Thank you for using Japan Airlines today.
Airplane namin. Sa airplane. Diba? That's the plane. Maliit lang. Okay.
失礼しました。ご搭乗機になります。お忘れ物ないようにご注意ください。
Dato. That's the plane now. Ang laki ng plane. Let's go. Ready? Okay. Diba ako? 16C. Wait na ng plane. Zaimas! Wow! Ah, diba? Ang lit ng plane. 16C. 16C. Over there. 16. Ayun, C. Ito ako. Ang bilit. Yes, guys. Super liit ng plane. Super cute. Kasi 16C ako. I'll sit. Gonna be here? Okay. So, ang lit lang ng plane. So yeah, we're settled on our flight to Akita. Okay? Sige, I'll see you later.
All your baggage in the overhead compartment.
Wala naman siya
Or
wala.
other than business function.
Lit lang isang plane. Parang siyang backpack
The
lang.
door will be closed shortly.
Cute.
Please refrain from using the restroom.
Saan kasi nila? So, ako may plane. Ano siya ng tao?
1 hour later.
Kapag lang namin guys dito. Ito. Kalapag lang namin dito sa Akita. Super sleepy. Pantulog guys. So, our flight is super fast. So, yes. Nakantok ako. It's finally we're here, so we're gonna take a bus to Ryonjo. Then take a train. Diba? Tabi. Shhh. May dadaanan. Diba? Yung plane namin. Yung plane namin. Ito yung maliit nilang airport. Diba? Wala pa. Ang ticket. Yan. Ito yung kanilang maliit na airport. Package. Wala pa yung package. Ito yung maliit nilang airport dito. Domestic. So, yan yung carousel nila. Wala pa yung aming baggage. Yung time pa namin na pumunta kami. Ay, super sleepy. Wala pang Divas, nandito na kami sa Akita. Sakay kami ng bus papuntang Akita Station. Ayan. Sige. Yes guys, welcome to Akita Station. Nandito na kami. Akita Station. Diba? Ito kami, Ryonjo. Diba? Nandito na kami. Ang kanilang M&M. Oh. Malaking dog. Oh. Big dog at yung mascara. Yes guys, after namin mag-bus, ito, train kami sa Akita Station to go to Yuri Honsho. Ayan, 30 minutes out. Ito train namin to go to Yuri Honsho. Ayan, so see you then, Akita.